Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about CoQ10 or coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 is found in every living cell in our body, and it's responsible for a lot of the biological process in our body. CoQ10 is one of the strongest antioxidant, and when it's taken as a supplement, it helps improve the oxidative stress. Our body goes through a lot of oxidative stress as we age and doing our daily activity. All this oxidative stress increases the free radical or increases the inflammation in the body, which can be the cause of multiple issues. For example, chronic fatigue, acne, feeling bloated, overall inflammation, weight gain, not feeling your very best, etc. So taking CoQ10 as a supplement will improve a lot of the symptoms by lowering the body's inflammation and lowering the free radical. CoQ10 also helps convert food into energy, thus improving your ATP production for a good sustained energy. So it's very good supplement for improving your energy and concentration. Some of the benefits of taking the antioxidant CoQ10 are: it improves the cardiovascular health, it lowers blood pressure, improves muscle recovery by lowering oxidative stress built up in your muscle, improves insulin sensitivity, improves overall energy, improves brain function, helps you with weight loss, and improves your overall performance. At MyFitMed, we do IV therapy for CoQ10 and give you a high dose of CoQ10 to lower your body's oxidative stress. If you have any question, give us a call. See if you're a good candidate for CoQ10 IV therapy. Subscribe for more videos and give us a thumbs up.